What's up, YouTube? We actually just got a break in the really bad weather. I was hoping to work on the Mini Cooper today. All the parts and pieces for the coolant system have come in, as well as the AC unit, so we're going to slap that all back together. But with the wind, the acorns, tree limbs, trees, and rain, I'm just not going to be able to do anything today. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to try doing it one take. I'm actually going to... It has something to do with the Dodge and all of its glory. And of course something else. So I'm going to set you down on the Dodge for a second. I'm going to go ahead and show you the brand new Lunar Outlaws Garage t-shirts. There are a few different variants of it, so if you like them, there will be a link down in the description on how you can get them. And onto the meat of the matter, why I have you guys here today. It's a very important question. So my heart is set on a Triton V10 on this. I'm trying to get one that's not clapped out, so they're not as common as you would think. And hold on a second. So because they're not very common, and I'm not having a very good time sorting one, or very good luck sorting one, I have one potentially I'll be bidding on, but it looks like it's going to go crazy, and I'm trying to keep this under a budget. So it leads me to the question, should I keep working on this here and there, pulling stuff off, getting it ready, and when something does come out, we'll quickly kind of switch back into that, or the next big project, because of course we do have the Honda Accord, which has a lot of stuff that needs to be done to it, including paint, which then also kind of pivots me to another part. And I do really want you guys' opinions. So this needs to get painted, that needs to get painted, that's eventually going to get painted, but it doesn't need to be painted quite yet. So another vehicle needs to be painted. The Dodge is not going to get painted, so if I'm going to be setting up for paint, I'll be painting, let's see if I can block the wind for you guys. I'll be painting the the BMW, the Accord, and then this other project that I've had for over 10 years, or about 10 years. And to me that kind of makes more sense, so I'll quickly show you the vehicle and let me know what you guys think. I've had this car, it's my 6th one, but none that have been in this condition. This one has no rust on it except for one little spot. If you guys can guess what it is quite yet, I hope you could. What do you think? Okay, I'll stop. It's my 1989 Toyota Supra, and the only rust is about that much above the passenger side wheel. Though when I bought it, the head gasket had blown and it had coolant sitting on one of the cylinders, or in one of the cylinders, so that engine was no good. And I switched out with a different 7M GTE, which just wasn't my cup of tea. I'm done with those. They're just too expensive to get real power. And I absolutely love this. As a Target top. It was originally a turbo, and it does have the late 89, mid to late 89 body. So it is, in my opinion, the better chassis. It's stiffer. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I just start working on the Supra? Because there's a lot that needs to be done with it, including a full paint job on it, because the previous owner unfortunately passed away, and it had sat in a parking lot with parking lot with mechanics, or a mechanic parking lot. So it wasn't, you know, doused with salt or anything. It was kind of just stuffed behind, but it did get sunbathed. So the paint is pretty rough on it, and the rubber is pretty rough. So kind of comment down below what you guys think, if we should start working on the Supra and the Accord, or if we should do the Accord and the Dodge. I already have my heart set on the engine for this one, and it's going to be a lot more common and a lot more realistic, but not like less expensive. So there's that. We'll have to pick up a donor car for that. So what do you guys think? The interior in this thing is not the leather variant, but it is still very, well, it's dusty and stuff like that, but it's very, very clean and in very good shape, except for, it looks like the person before me put his, I think, wrist or something through there, or it might have been me, I don't know. I've had it for 10 years, so there are some defects with the interior, which is something we can cover and repair. So yeah, you can see the paint starting to fade right there, or the clear coat rather is just coming right off. So yeah, what do you guys think? I'm kind of leaning towards the Supra because I would love to start driving this thing again, but I'll leave it to you guys. So until the next episode, you guys have a wonderful day. If you guys like the episodes, remember to like and subscribe. I have something very big coming. Very big. And I think people are going to like it. And hopefully someone will be, you know, very, very lucky. So anyways, with that weird kind of segue, I'll end it here. Have a good day.